メキシコのレジェンドたちだそうです。
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to the main event of the evening. Y a todos nuestros amigos celebrando el 5 de mayo, bienvenidos, aficionados a box. Nippon no boxing fan no minasama konbanwa. Indeed, we welcome you, ladies and gentlemen, to the T-Mobile Arena here in Las Vegas, Nevada, as Bugbear's Top Rank Incorporated presents the featured bout of the evening in association with Ohashi Promotion and Taken Promotions. Brought to you by Miller Lite. Here, cheers to another round of Miller time.
Oh, yeah.
And by DraftKings Sportsbook, the crowd is yours. Presented by the refreshing taste of Twisted Tea, Hard Iced Tea, Keep It Twisted. Sponsored by El Mexicano brand products, bringing authentic South Mexicano. And by Undisputed, the boxing video game, out now on PS5, Xbox, and PC. And also brought to you by Riyadh Judges, scoring a main event from ringside from New York, Max DeLuca. From Oklahoma, David Sutherland. And from New Jersey, Steve Weisfeld. And introducing to you our third man to the ring, the referee in charge of the action, Thomas Taylor. All right, fans, here